But I think this concatenation looks really gross. There's a better way. There's a couple better ways. We're going to do one of the better ways right now. Anybody heard of string interpolation? Use that in any language? Yeah, what's string interpolation?
Like where you just insert the value. It's just direct insertion of the values.
So you can just put the values right in the middle of the string without concatenating, right? Without having to close the string, use a plus sign and all that stuff. Yeah, you can do that in JavaScript now, as of ES6. So we have single quotes and double quotes, which are basically the same. And then as of ES6, we have backticks. That's that upper left corner of the keyboard, same key as the tilde. And if you use backticks, you gain access to string interpolation. So let's give this a try. Put backticks, and let's put our opening and closing paragraph tags. And then inside there, I want username and age. So to tell it that you're now including an expression in the middle there, doing interpolation, you use $, open, close, curly brace. So $, curly brace, username, outside the curly brace, comma, $, curly brace, age, close, curly brace. I think that's much, much easier to read. And it's easier to type. So I saved. I'm going to refresh. And if we did it right, it's going to work the same as before. Between Maddie and Mel. Can you remind me your name? That's right. And how do you spell that? Rithika, right. And how old are you? 81. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. There we go. Totally worked. It looks the same as it did before. String interpolation. Good times. So what we did, here I'm going from my working directory to my staging area with add. From my staging area to my actual repository with commit. Use a template string or a template literal instead of an old school string. Template strings, template literals. That's what we call it when we use the backticks instead of quotes. And they are wonderful. Another nice thing about them is you can put line breaks in the middle of them and it won't break. If you put line breaks in between quotes, and I don't mean \n, but actually hitting the enter key, that'll break the string. You have to stick backslashes at the end of the line to do that, and that just looks ghastly and makes it really hard to change later. So template strings like this, really nice. And it's going to make it much easier to do some of the stuff we're going to do later.